Paneer Bhurji lasagna. Hi guys, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. I am Chef Siddharth and today I'll prepare Paneer Bhurji lasagna. It may sound a bit weird, but the combination, trust me friends, very nice. So let's look at the ingredients. To make Paneer Bhurji lasagna, we'll require lasagna sheets boiled, cottage cheese or paneer, fresh tomato puree, chopped onions, onion paste, fresh cream, butter, mozzarella cheese grated, salt, dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, green chilies, chopped, garam masala powder, red chili powder, oil. This recipe is basically an Indianized version of lasagna. For stuffing, we'll prepare paneer bhurji. So in a wok, I have taken some oil, heat this a bit, heat this oil. Now in goes cumin seeds, let it splutter. Now in goes some green chilies which are chopped and some chopped onions. Now saute this till onion turns nice golden brown. Till onion turns golden brown, I have cottage cheese or paneer with me, fresh cottage cheese. I'll crumble this. Now as you can see, onions has turned nice golden brown. I'll add some turmeric powder, some red chili powder and some garam masala powder. Now to this, in goes this crumbled paneer. Now mix this properly. Now perfect time to add salt. Mix this properly. Now after mixing this, we'll get a mixture something like this. That's it, our mixture is ready. We'll keep this aside. Let's prepare a quick sauce. For that I have heated a pan. In goes some oil. Let the oil heat up a bit. I have some onion paste with me. Saute this. As you must have noticed, I have added a bit of oil, not much because I'll add butter in the end. Now let's saute this. Now to this, in goes some ginger garlic paste. Saute this properly. See to it that the rawness of ginger garlic paste as well as onion is gone. Now it's time to add this tomato puree. Fresh tomato puree. If you want, you can use the tinned one or the canned one you get. Now high the flame and I'll add some water. Now let this boil. We need to cook it for around 10 to 12 minutes so that the tomato puree is nicely cooked. Now let this cook for 10 to 12 minutes on medium flame. Now the tomato puree is cooked. It's time to add butter, lots of butter. After adding butter, you need to keep on continuously stirring it. Now after adding butter, I have put lid on it because the mixture will splutter. Here I have heated a pan and into this pan, I'll put this dried fenugreek leaves into this pan. Now we need to dry roast it. This is done. We'll switch off the flame and coming over to this. Now to this, in goes some red chili powder to make it a bit spicy and some garam masala powder. Some salt, mix it properly. Now it's time to add some fresh cream. into this sauce. Lots of fresh cream. Our sauce is not finished yet. We need to add this fenugreek leaves, which are dried ones. Just crush them with your hands. Switch off the flame. The sauce is also ready. Now we need to assemble our Indianized lasagna. Now let's assemble our lasagna. I have taken a glass baking dish. Now on the base goes some sauce, and on this lasagna sheet, over this lasagna sheet, paneer bhurji, some mozzarella cheese, and again a sheet of lasagna. Then top it with some sauce. Now on top of this, we'll add some mozzarella cheese for that extra stringy flavor. Then again some paneer bhurji. Spread it evenly. And again some mozzarella cheese. Lasagna sheet. Press it a bit. Tuck in the extra part of this lasagna sheet. Again top it up with this nice Indian sauce. And the remaining mozzarella cheese. Now the assembling part is done. I have already preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. I'll bake it for 12 to 15 minutes. So our lasagna is baked perfectly. I'll not cut it. Just garnish it with some coriander leaves. That's it. Ready to serve. Enjoy.